G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. Just like to do a quick channel update, let you know that I'm still alive and well. It's been a while since I've had a video out, so I'll just do a quick update, let you know what's going on. It is winter. We had a very wet autumn, so there wasn't a lot of riding going on, but hopefully this weekend's alright. I might get out for a ride if I'm lucky. Yeah, so this week I hit 1,500 subscribers, so that was really good. Even though I haven't been putting videos out, I've still been getting quite a few views and new subscribers, so it's really good. Good to see it's still growing. And you might also notice I've got a nice new camera. I bought an Insta360 One RS. So I'll do a video on that when I've worked out all the bugs on it. I've had a few issues with it. Picture quality is really good, I'm happy with that. I've been using a Gopro 4 for a long time, so it's a big upgrade from that. Yeah, we'll go up Jersey. Yeah, I know the GoPro 4 footage is very shaky and a bit hard to watch, so yeah, I've finally done something about it. Yeah, so this is the industrial area of Bayswater, Boronia. So as for videos, I've got a couple on the go. I'm still working on the front end conversion. I've done a full video step by step on how to lower the forks. I just want to make sure they actually work before I release the video. I'll wait till they're on the bike and I've had a bit of a test run. How's that for a cafe? It's called Flick the Bean. For an everlasting smile. I think they serve coffee there. I think it's that kind of bean. See what I really like about this camera? One of the reasons I picked it, this is the mic adapter. And you plug your microphone straight into it. There's no extra adapters. And I can plug a battery pack in the bottom of it, keep the phone charging. At the moment I only have the one battery. So it'll be interesting to see how well it lasts. I will get a second one eventually, but I don't have it now. Anyway, thanks again. I'm really happy to be now. So thanks again for supporting the channel. Hopefully I'll have some new ride footage. I haven't got any better at this. So thanks a lot for supporting the channel, and hopefully we'll have some new videos coming out soon. See you next time. Now on up here.